Guys, Gambit will finally make a name for himself in the upcoming Avengers Doomsday film. Of course, everyone got excited during the cast announcement or the live cast announcement of the Avengers Doomsday last night. We've actually posted a few as well here on When in Manila, but ang dami pa nila, guys. And yeah, we are very much excited to see these familiar faces again, plus new ones like Thunderbolts, Florence Pugh, David Harbour, yan, andyan sila lahat, kompleto sila, Sebastian Stan. But I feel like Marvel fans are pretty much excited with the reunion of the original X-Men cast in this film. First name that we saw was actually Kelsey Grammer, who played the Beast in the X-Men movies way back. And yun palang nakaka-excite na, diba? Then the names of Patrick Stewart, Rebecca Romijn, Ian McKellen, Alan Cumming. Grabe, halos complete casting. And James Marsden, of course. But Channing Tatum. And syempre, alam naman na natin yung character niya because crowd favorite yung Gambit during Deadpool and Wolverine. And now, he's here, Avengers Doomsday as a Gambit variant. I mean, let's go, Channing. So finally, he's gonna make a name for himself in Avengers Doomsday. And let us not forget the new Fantastic Four, which we're all excited about as well. Vanessa Kirby, Joseph Quinn, Pedro Pascal, lahat sila. And syempre, the announcement was ended by Robert Downey Jr. as Dr. Doom. I mean, diba? Ano kaya ang mga pasabog? I love it. To all the Marvel fans out there, of course, we do understand that maybe you're all still looking forward to more announcements soon. And we can't wait for that if ever mangyari yun. But right now, we're just really looking forward for May 1, 2026 for Avengers Doomsday.